Hi there, this is Naomi C speaking. Are you a senior high school graduate, a college undergraduate, or a first time applicant looking to work in the BPO industry? If yes, this video is for you. I'll give you 5 powerful and strategic sample answers to one of the most common and make or break interview questions. Why should we hire you? So these answers that I'm about to share with you are especially made for newbies like you, especially if you're without experience. So if you're willing to learn, passionate about customer service, and is looking for a breakthrough in your career, then make sure to watch this video until the end. So let's start with the first sample answer. You should hire me because I'm genuinely eager to learn and grow in this industry. I may not have the BPO experience yet, but I believe that my strong communication skills, quick learning ability, and willingness to be trained make me a great fit for your team. I'm excited to bring my positive energy and dedication to your company and prove that I can deliver great results if given the opportunity. So see, even if you're a newbie, you're able to mention skills that are vital in the customer service world, such as great communication skills, the ability to learn quickly, and your willingness to be trained. Moving on to sample answer number two. I believe you should hire me because I have a customer first mindset. I know that working in a call center is not just about answering calls, but about solving problems with empathy and professionalism. During my time in school, I often handled group responsibilities and resolved misunderstandings among classmates. I want to bring that same patience and communication skills to your team. Moving on to sample answer number three. You should hire me because I enjoy helping people. I've always been the go-to person among my friends when they needed advice or someone to talk to. I know that in this role, communication is key, and I take pride in being clear, respectful, and understanding. I want to use these skills to create a positive experience for your customers. So if you're this kind of person, then this is a great sample answer that you can use. I myself, I enjoy helping other people, so for me, customer service is bagay sa akin or sa personality ko, and I can use that as my advantage when answering this kind of question. Let's move on to sample answer number four. I may be new to the call center industry, but I believe you should hire me because I'm looking for long-term growth. I want to start strong and build a career in your company. I'm confident that with your training and support, I can become a valuable asset, not just by hitting metrics, but also by helping the team grow with the company. So if you're someone who's loyal, then this is a great sample answer that you can definitely use. So ako personally, if I am a newbie, I would use this as my strength kasi kapag narinig ng interviewer na you have this kind of mindset na long term ka mag-isip kasi 'di ba people sa BPO ay you know they come and go. So let's move on to sample answer number five. This is the last sample answer. You should hire me because I understand the importance of teamwork and professionalism. In school, I was often part of group projects where we had to collaborate under pressure and meet deadlines. I'm someone who listens, contributes, and adopts when needed. I believe that makes me a good fit for your team and the kind of work you do. So this is also a great sample answer because even if you don't have experience, you relate your school experience dito sa work na to. And I believe as long as you have the skills na angkop sa work na to, then you're a good fit already. So that's it. Hey there, if you're also working from home like me, I highly recommend a Jabra Evolve 20 MS USB, a passive noise cancelling headset because this is a great partner when it comes to working from home. I personally use this and I can say that I love this kind of headset because whenever I'm working, tapos sobrang noisy ng aking electric fan as in, yung mga kapitbahay namin, tapos nasa tapat pa kami ng school, tapos may tindahan, tapos may aso pa kaming napakaingay. So, despite all of that, hindi pa rin naririnig ng customers ko yung ganyang ingay. Ako lang yung nakakarinig, no? Although, it distracts me, pero no choice tayo. As long as hindi naririnig ng customer natin sa kabilang line, then I must say na okay na ako dyan. So, if you want a headset, this is the best headset for you. So, make sure to check it out in the product description I have.